I'm proud to introduce ACR 119. The resolution is to designate April 30th as the 51st anniversary of the Black April. Today, 51 years ago, Saigon and South Vietnam were lost into the hand of communists in the north. So the Black April is a very sad day for the Vietnamese American community. After the fall of Saigon, millions of Vietnamese had tried to escape the country, and many hundreds of thousands of them escaped the country by boat. And unfortunately, hundreds of thousands of them lost their life into the deep ocean. Under the communist regime, millions of families suffer. Thousands of the South Vietnamese military officials, intellectual, doctor, teacher were in prison. And my family was one of them. I still remember on Christmas Eve, 1978, when my family was ready for dinner, several of communist agents came to my house and took my father away. My family and I came to America in 1992 as political refugees. I was 19 years old at the time. So my family and I are very thankful of America that saved my family and thousands of Vietnamese families to live in a free society. There are about 700,000 Vietnamese live in the state of California. And for the last 5 decades, the Vietnamese Americans have assimilated into the mainstream system and built up a strong community and contribute to the state of California. Every year, the Vietnamese American community everywhere organize the Black April ceremony to honor the sacrifices of 58,000 American soldiers and more than 250,000 South Vietnamese soldiers who fought side by side during the Vietnam War. The Vietnamese people lost their country, but they never lose hope that someday Vietnam will be free. I also want to sincerely thank and appreciate all of you for your strong commitment to stand with the Vietnamese American community in California. United we stand, and we stand for freedom. With that said, I respectfully ask for your aye vote.